I'm Thomas Smith, and let's take a look at the Little Tikes Easy Score soccer goal. So this is really fun for your littlest kids who might just be learning the sport. Obviously, it's not a regulation size goal. This is a miniature goal for small kids to start to practice their soccer skills. And some things I like about it, it's very lightweight, so you can just lift it up and move it around. I've been testing this in my front yard for about 6 months now with my kids, and they love it. It's easy for me to pick it up and move it so it doesn't ruin the grass. I can put it off to the side when they're not using it and then just quickly, one hand grab it. That said, it's not plastic. It is metal on there. So the metal construction, I think, is really nice because it gives it that rigidity. It's not going to fall apart if they ram into it or something when they're trying to kick the ball in. It's going to be plenty strong to hold up to that. Nice mesh part on the back here to catch the ball. It does come with a little kind of play soccer ball. I think that's good because if you kicked a regulation ball into this at full force, I think it would kind of come out the back, or you could even risk some damage. So it really is meant for those little kids that are just practicing their skills, but certainly something that you could set up, easily in your yard, as I've done here. The only drawbacks I would say I've noticed over time, it's very colorful, but this has started to fade a little bit with the sun exposure. It's not as vibrant. You can see a little bit of fading there. I imagine this might wear out over a couple of seasons. We'll have to see how these pieces hold up. It's also on the large side, so it's great to set up in your yard, but it's not like a pop-up goal that you could take to the park to practice soccer easily. It's sort of something you want to probably set up in your house or outside your house and basically, leave there. I think I'd have a hard time fitting it in the car without folding some seats down. You can disassemble it, but it's not easy to disassemble and put together. It's got these little pop-in pieces here, so it's not bolts or anything. So you can pop it apart, but I find that it's a little bit of a hassle to reassemble it, so I just leave it set up. Overall, though, really great goal, and I think it's really nice for the littlest kids to start learning soccer at that very early age.